Track recording is one of the basic functions of Locus. Run it whenever you want to save a track for later use for navigation, for statistics of your trips or trainings, or simply to show your friends where you went on a weekend ride. You can start recording very easily directly from the main menu. Tap the record button. Select the activity or mode of transport you're going to use and tap start. The record button will turn red and the cursor on the map that shows your location will start drawing a line of your track. You're ready to go. While you record, the sidebar gives you an elevation graph and route statistics, speed, distance, time, and more. At the bottom are buttons to stop, pause the recording, and to add a waypoint to the track. The orange button will pause recording. The track record is interrupted, but the function is still active. Tap again to resume recording. Use the blue button to add points to the track. You can choose between a regular waypoint, a photo, a video, or an audio recording. Press the red button to end the recording. You will be given the option to save the track. You can also edit the track description, change the activity type, the folder, or the line style on the map. The track will then appear on the map and in the track manager.